Hi guys, welcome back. We're gonna try and have a good day, which is why I'm vlogging. I just got a smoothie from Planet Smoothie, and I've only had this once living here because, I don't know, I'm like kind of weird with smoothie places. Like if I can't see like the ingredients and the nutrition facts, I don't really know exactly what they're really like filling the smoothies with. But I just got the Amazon Kick. It's supposed to be acai, strawberries, coconut water, and banana, but I added leafy greens to it so I can get my greens in. But when I got there, they didn't have any acai, so I got extra strawberries. It is freaking gorgeous outside, like actually stunning. It's 11:30 and it's like 70 degrees already. It was like 80 yesterday, 84 maybe, I don't know. It's hot, it was amazing. I've been pretty much down bad bedridden for exactly a week now. Hello.
Hi.
Anyway, I hurt my back really bad. I had a pinched nerve. When I tell you, it actually was a week ago, from today. It was Tuesday. I have already done too much today. This is probably the most activity I've done so far, and it's only 11:30. I really wanted to go on a walk because it's so beautiful out, but one of the dogs hurt me on the walk. Why is everyone calling me? So hurt my back, been down and out, absolutely terrible. Then I got food poisoning on Sunday night. So yesterday was just a complete shit of a day too. So I'm trying to be positive. I need to go to UPS. The thing that hurts my back the most is actually driving and getting in and out of the car. So I'm trying to do very light activity, but my camera's dying now. I do have my backup camera. This is my old camera I'm filming on right now because I went to pick up my other camera and it was dead. So we have that charging. And also I'm so addicted to the song. I love it. Also, Brennan just called me to tell us that we're just gonna get a 2-bedroom. This will be like my 4th move in a year and a half. It's fine. We just really want more space. Bye. She's arrived. First thing, this is what I'm most excited for. I want to have like a dress era this summer, like athletic dresses. This is the Aloe Showcase dress, I believe. I just got it in black, and I love that it has like a little zip up too, and it has padding, and then built-in shorts, of course, which is really nice. So I'm really excited. I would put her on if I could, but I really can't. When I tell you that Aloe straight leg sweatpants are my favorite sweats I've ever owned in my life, I have 2 pairs. I did not get the straight legs actually in these. I got a new pair like 2 weeks ago maybe. I got these in the color bone, and they sit to the bottom instead of the straight leg. Like the Aloe sweats are just, they're unmatched truly. I have never found a sweatpant that I love, or like sweatshirt, more than the Aloe stuff, and I genuinely really do think they are well worth the money. I also love a matching set, so I don't have the Accolade hoodie, just like the plain one. I have all the other ones except for the Accolade hoodie. I have it in the crew. And then I also got a bra, sports bra type top. Ooh, this looks a little big. I love a really thick strap like this. It also has adjustable straps. I just love the full support in this. It definitely gives more athleisure than like full workout, which I really love, and I love how thick they are. And then I got a free sample, but I don't know where that went. It's right here. I think this is just a magnesium spray. I don't know, I've had this before. Oh, it is. Magnesium spray and head to toe glow oil. So I got from Aloe. Shout out to Brandon. I actually just might end this vlog here because I'm literally going to be horizontal for the rest of the day, and I thought today was going to be an exciting day where I was going to be able to move and shit, but I don't think I'm going to be. So I'll talk to you guys in probably a few days. Come here, Mavi. You want some nanners? Mavi! Maybe I'll even sprinkle some cheese on your breakfast this morning. Oh, it's cheesy this morning. We got 2 slices left. He just wants to stay in bed. Can you sit? Sit. Good boy. Let me take your lick. It's about 12:30 now. It's been quite the productive day. I finished a video for one of my clients. I have another one to get to for another client later on in the day, but we're taking a nice little break. Just cleaned the house, got some laundry, and we got a new dishwasher. It's amazing. And I just slicked my hair back and I filmed it on TikTok and it got fucking deleted because I'm on my hair growth journey. So I showed you how I oil it, how I like whatever, everything I use, and I'm really pissed off that it just got deleted because I just filmed it for like 10 fucking minutes. So I'm now going to go to the gym for the first time since my little incident with my back happened. I hurt my back really bad. So the last time I was there was 2 weeks ago today, but I was down bad for about maybe like 10 days with my back. Started walking again, which is great. So happy I can do that, but I'm gonna do some light mat Pilates and then we're gonna take the dogs on a walk. So I'm probably only gonna be down there for like 20 minutes because we'll walk for like 45. It's a beautiful day out. I'm quite excited to like get outside, but my hair is nice and slicked back. I've been obsessed with my hair growth journey. So yeah, let's go. So we're back from our walk. We actually ended up running a little and it was actually hysterical. And if I do have the confidence to post my running videos, I will post them in here because they are so fucking bad. Like insane. You would think that I'm probably the most unathletic person in the world. But while I have a second, it is 2:30. I have the house to myself for like an hour, which is nice. Brandon's going to get some groceries. Let me put this down because he wants to cook dinner tonight, which I was gonna do sauce, but he's gonna make something. I don't know what he's gonna make. And then he's taking my car to get detailed. So yeah, like an hour to myself, but I have to work on some work from another client right now. So I'm gonna sit down on the couch, probably put a podcast on the TV or something while I get this done. But let me show you guys my new rugs. If you follow me on TikTok, you would have seen them. So this is the first one. It's from Target. It's a 2x8. It was on sale from $100 down to $40. And I got it off Circle Week, like maybe last week or 2 weeks ago. And then, nope, there are my handsome boys. Moosey splooted. Can you sit down? Or you want to lay down? You want a belly rub. That's what you want. Yeah. Are you going to roll over so I can give you a belly rub? Okay. 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 Oh my goodness. Okay. I also like kind of decluttered the bar cart, which I like a lot, and I've not been keeping the neon lights on because I don't know, I just don't love them. So over here, Moose chewed the wall. We have no idea how he did that because we were literally home when it happened. I don't know what kind of dog chews a wall, but apparently Moose does. Our couch is still broken, but we don't want to get a new one until Moose stops peeing on it because it's his favorite place to be when he wants to pee in the house. And then this is the carpet. It's washable, which is really nice because Moose destroyed the last one. I absolutely love it, except for the fact that it's like kind of thin, so it kind of like scrunches up, if you know what I mean. But I love it. It's from Wayfair. It was like $500 and I got it for like $108, so this was definitely a steal. And then one more thing I want to show you is my Birk Dupe. I love them so much. I wanted Birks, but I was like, let me just get the freaking Amazon dupe. And I love them so much. I've been wearing them every single day. Wear them to take the dogs out, wear them out to the bar, I wear them to the grocery store. I will have these linked down below. I'm gonna make a bowl. I'm gonna do quesadilla. So I got some stuff to make a bowl. And I don't have any like rice, so we have this for now. So let's assemble.
A nice little charred one.
Should I put like sour cream on mine? Like a drizzle of sour cream?
In your bowl?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bowl. I wouldn't do that.
Yeah, you're right.
But whatever you would put in a Chipotle bowl.
True. Do some rice. Let's see if the rice is even like cooked. Oh, that's really good. And I would do chicken, right?
No. Well, no, veggies. Chicken's always, the protein's always after, but whatever. Who cares? It's not Chipotle.
Then my veg. We got some peppers. This is gonna be so yummy. Cheese. Lettuce out of the salad bag. And then we got some pico. That's my favorite part. That's good as fuck.
Good bowl? Good dinner?
Yeah, thanks, babe. I love sour cream. We've had like Mexican consistently 3 Tuesdays in a row.
His wife had diarrhea. You following?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I said that.
Oh my god, it's so good, you have to try.
Oh my god, really? Should I?
Fuck you.
How good is that?
It's good.
Like scale of 1 to 10.
Like you kind of cooked.
I kind of cook?
Uh-huh.
I don't ever cook. I always cook.
You always cook.
I'll try it.
Here, let me get you a good bite.
As long as there's no cottage cheese in it.
No, there's no cottage cheese. Here comes the airplane.
Dude, there's a carrot.
Oh my, are you fucking kidding? It's a shredded carrot.
Let's pick the carrot out.
Oh, you're ridiculous. Cook. You don't like, you just spit the other carrot out.
I just don't like the chopped salad carrot.
It's delicious.
But you know, each their own, right?
Right. Tell me a better feeling than taking out your slick back bun. Oh my god, my hair looks crazy, but I had a hair mask in it. I did mention I'm so tired. I just finished up some work things. It's 7 o'clock. I just cleaned up the kitchen, I have some more laundry running, and I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna post my pre-wash routine with like the oils and creams and stuff when I slick it back for like 10 hours on TikTok, and then I'm gonna post the aftercare on TikTok as well. So when the time you see this, it's probably going to be up by now, or at least one of them will. So definitely be sure to follow me on there because I'm posting so much. So I'm gonna get ready for bed. It's Tuesday, so we have VPR and then the Valley, and then Watch What Happens Live. So I'm gonna shower, blow dry my hair. Also, actually really quickly, if you don't have this, you need to buy it now. My sweet, sweet, sweet boyfriend's mother says to me the other day, she's like, do you need anything from Ulta? I'm going, and she always asks me. The Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural spray is absolutely disgustingly insane, unreal, amazing. But when she went, there were no full sizes, so she got me 3 travel sprays. So if you're not using this, try it out. They're fucking awesome. This is what I'm gonna use after the shower, and then in the shower, when I wash, I'm gonna do shampoo, and then the DP Hue apple cider vinegar rinse. Also amazing. So make sure you're following me on TikTok and Instagram, and thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.